Switzerland is known for its breathtaking mountains and pristine lakes. But did you know there's a hidden gem called Oeschinen Lake nestled in the heart of this alpine paradise? Today, I'll guide you on how to get there and experience this unique spot. Oeschinen Lake, or Oeschinensee in German, is a beautiful lake located in the Bernese Alps. It offers some of the clearest and bluest waters you'll ever see, surrounded by towering peaks. Getting here requires a bit of a journey, but it's well worth the effort. First, you need to get to the Bernese Oberland, the region where Oeschinen Lake is located. If you're coming from Zurich, you can take a train to Bern, which is just about an hour away. From Bern, you'll continue to Thun or Interlaken, two popular gateways to the mountains. Alternatively, you can rent a car and drive, which gives you more flexibility, especially if you plan to explore nearby areas. Once you've reached Thun or Interlaken, head towards the small village of Kandersteg. This is your starting point for the journey to Oeschinen Lake. Kandersteg is easily accessible by train or car. Now, you have two options to reach the lake. You can hike, or if you prefer a more relaxed approach, take a scenic gondola ride. The gondola ride is a fantastic alternative if you want to save your energy for exploring the lake itself. The ride takes about 10 minutes, lifting you above the forests and giving you sweeping views of the valley below. As you ascend, you'll see the landscape change from lush greenery to rocky alpine terrain. Once you reach the top, it's just a short, easy walk to the lake. This option is perfect for families or anyone who wants to take it easy and still enjoy the incredible scenery. And here it is, Oeschinen Lake. Look at how clear that water is. It's the perfect spot for a picnic, a refreshing swim, or just to sit and take in the beauty of nature. Remember, this area is protected, so be respectful and take all your trash with you. So, that's how you get to Oeschinen Lake in Switzerland. Whether you choose to hike or take the gondola, you're in for an unforgettable experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides like this. See you on the next adventure.